If you find yourself needing to use a web form on one of your Drupal sites, you have two options: either edit an existing form or create a new one. If there's already a form on your website that basically fits what you want to do, but you just need to make a few changes to it, you can just edit an existing web form. To do this, I'm going to click on Build next to the entry I want to change. So for this example, I'm going to use the Contact Us form. This will bring me right to the editing interface where I can see all of the questions that web form currently has. While I'm here, I could click on Edit on any of these elements that currently exist, or I could add elements to the web form to add some more functionality to it. Now, if you want to add a new web form, we'll have to go back to Structure, Web Forms, and above the listing of all the web forms on my site, there's a blue button that says Add Web Form. I'm going to give this a click. And once I do, you'll see a new screen pop up with 4 options on it. First things first, I'm going to need to enter a title. For this one, I'm just going to type in New Web Form. Next, I have 2 optional fields: Administrative Description and Category. The first one, Administrative Description, is just a short 5 to 10 word description of the purpose of the web form. Since this is an example, I'll go ahead and put in a practice web form for training purposes. Under Category, I can either specify an existing categorization for the web form. On this site, I have General, Practice, or Test. Or if my web form didn't fit one of these categories, I could also add a new one by clicking on Other and typing in that categorization into this field. For this one, we'll just go ahead and make it Practice. Again, Administrative Description and Category are both optional fields. You don't have to use them, but it can make organizing your web forms a lot easier, especially if you have a lot of web forms on your site. My final option here is the status of the form. In this case, you have the options of open or closed. Now, to finalize all my work, I'm going to hit Save. And it'll take a second for the system to think, and then it'll be placed in the same editing interface as I saw earlier when we clicked Build on the contact form. The only difference here is that there are no previous form elements here. We're just starting with a blank slate. In upcoming videos, we'll go over all of the elements that exist for web forms, and you'll get a better idea of how to create one of these web forms from scratch.